Sometimes life resets you for a better version of your future. This is not just a new channel. This is a new beginning. My old channel is no longer here. Maybe I made mistakes. Maybe it was a challenge. But I believe every end has a reason to start something better. So here I am, stronger, wiser, and ready. On this new channel, I will share what matters to me and to you. Technology, innovation, motivation, AI tools, robotics, and success tips. If you're someone who dreams big, learns fast, and never gives up, this is your home. I'll show you the latest in tech, how to use AI tools, and how to stay focused on your goals. Whether you want to build the future or become your best self, I've got you. New videos every week. Shorts, reviews, inspiration, tutorials. Thank you for giving me a second chance. I promise to make it worth your time. Let's grow together. Let's build something powerful. This is not the end. This is just the beginning. Subscribe now and join the journey.